With today's system update, our quoting wizard has been revamped to better meet your line item estimating needs. Let's dive into this update in action. First, we'll generate a fresh quote or contract. Then we'll select the contract and service type and click Submit. From there, we'll apply the new line item template we created in our previous video. Once our template is loaded, you'll then be able to see all the work we did transfer over. From here, you can start editing your quantities for your job and see your costs update in real time. You can always change your cost per unit if necessary, along with your markup percentage. If you wish to exclude any item from your additional markup percentage, make sure to select this box right here. During our template creation, we selected if these products or services were taxable, but you always have the ability to change that with this box right here. Additionally, you can choose to hide the quantity or price on your quotes using these checkboxes, keeping your cost breakdowns internal. Down below and on the right for optional work, you'll notice a little informational hover. This is displaying that these totals are not added in until your customer has accepted the work. Additionally, if you're using a warranty with an associated cost and you've finalized your estimate, click the calculator to pull in the associated cost to get your total. Below, you'll find totals for cost, markup, tax if you've applied a rate, and your total price. Further down, you can add additional markup, adjust the final price, set payment terms, modify the deposit amount, and apply a tax rate. Our attachments button has found a new home just under our templates. Use this to apply photos and files to your quotes, as well as getting an aerial view of your customer's house. That's a wrap on all the updates to our quote builder. We're excited to see how you make the most of our line item estimating tool. As always, thanks for watching.